Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so discovery works. This matters because low power or permissions block scanning. On your phone or computer, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on, and make sure location or Bluetooth permissions are enabled where needed. Once done, put the target device into visible or pairing mode, usually a long press or holding a small button, and if it was previously paired. Restart Bluetooth to clear cached entries so the device appears fresh in the scan. Now actively scan. On your phone or laptop, choose Bluetooth right arrow scan, or click the system tray Bluetooth icon and refresh the device list. You want to identify the correct name or MAC address. Check the label or manual if multiple similar names appear. Signal strength helps when several devices are nearby. When you see the correct entry, tap it to connect, and then accept or verify any PIN/pairing code that appears, because that confirms a secure link between the two devices. Finish by confirming the new connection state. Your device should show connected or paired, and audio or data routes will appear. If it fails, move closer, within 1 to 2 meters, and make sure other Bluetooth devices or crowded Wi-Fi channels aren't interfering, because congestion often blocks pairing. When problems persist, clear the Bluetooth cache or unpair and restart both devices, or enter the target's factory pairing mode and try again. This typically resolves stubborn cache or profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.